Good morning students, welcome in PBPS e-learning class. In my previous two videos, I explained poem A Night Rain in Summer. I hope you all understand this poem very well. In this video, we will complete answer the following question answer. Okay students, so let's start. I had given you word meaning for writing. I hope you all had written these meanings in your copy, fair copy. Now come to the question answer. Answer the following question. First question is, what does the poet want to enjoy? What does the poet want to enjoy? Why does he want the window open? What reason in this poem about? Date and poem name. Answer is, the poet wants to enjoy fresh air as he wants near the window. Okay. He wants the window open so that he can fully embrace the cleansing fresh air and rain. This poem is about summer season because the name of the poem is A Night Rain in Summer. Summer, that's why the poem is belong to summer season. Question 2. Why does the poet welcome the rain with such strong feeling? The poet welcomes the rain with a strong feeling because of the presence of some spiritual being that persists in the air. Okay, now come to the question C. Why does the poet not want any lamps on? The poet does not want any lamps on as the darkness is natural and peaceful. The poet does not want any lamps on as the darkness is natural and peaceful. Question D. What does the poet compare the sound of the rain to? The poet compares the sound of the rain to soft lullabies. A soft soothing song to put children to sleep. Question E. What are the things the poet will sleep blessed with? The things the poet will sleep blessed with are God's darkness and natural soft songs. Now, question F. Find words in the poem which have the same meaning as these. Room, chamber. As he said, in my chamber of sordid light. Room means chamber. Nothing, not. Not will I have, not a window pane. Okay class, you have to write these question answer in your fair copy. Thank you for watching this video.